Academy. So we are talking about the important components in SSIS. In the previous session, we have seen what is the control flow and what is the data flow. Okay, so here we have a parameters as well. Like there are two types of parameters. One is project level parameters and package level parameters. If you see this Visual Studio, once you have opened this SSDT, okay, here, if you see package level parameters means this is the one. If you create the parameters here, okay, they will become a package level. When it comes to the project level, if you create the parameters under the project solution, so here, if you create it, then it will become a project level parameters. Basically, what is the use of these parameters means to store the connection string values and made it as a dynamic purpose, we can use parameters. Okay, when it comes to the event handler, so here we have SSIS at the runtime, it may will produce some events. Like there are different types of events is there, like on error, on execution status change, on information, on post execute, on post validate, on pre execute. Like that, we have a different events. Okay, so whenever that particular event is happening, what you're supposed to do inside this event handler, okay, to implement the logical workflows. So in such a scenarios, we can use the event handler. Okay, when it comes to the integration catalog DB, so integration catalog DB is nothing but it's a kind of repository to store your all SSIS packages, deployed SSIS packages, where you could see this integration catalog DB in SQL Server. Okay, let me open the SQL Server. Yeah, it is connected. So if you see here, this is the integration service catalog. That is nothing but the integration service DB. Okay. So whenever you deployed SSIS packages to the SQL Server, by the time they will store under this folder, integration service catalog. Okay. Actually, మీకు ఇది ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే మీరు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సర్వీసెస్ అనేది మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని ఉంటేనే సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సర్వీస్ క్యాటలాగ్ లో మీకు ఫోల్డర్ ఇలాంటి ఫోల్డర్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఈ ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫోల్డర్లోకే మన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మనం డిప్లాయ్ చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మొత్తం వచ్చి కూర్చుంటాయి. ఇదిగో మీ ప్రీవియస్ బ్యాచ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ SB12 అనేది ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ SIS ప్రాక్టీస్. ఈ ప్యాకేజెస్ అనే దాంట్లో ఆల్ ద ప్యాకేజెస్ ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఉన్న ఆల్ ద ప్యాకేజెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఇట్స్ అ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రిపోజిటరీ to store our all deployed SSIS packages, integration service catalog. Okay, so that is about the integration service catalog. వీటిల్లో కూడా two important components వచ్చేసరికి versioning ఒకటి, environment variables ఒకటి. Okay, so we can touch one by one each and everything. Okay, one by one each and everything. So first we can start with the data flow. First start learning with data flow. After that, we can go ahead with the control flow. While explaining these two, I will explain about the parameters and event handlers. Parallelly, they will come. So finally, when we are trying to deploy the SSIS packages, by the time, I will guide you how to use this integration catalog DB. Okay. So this is the way the course will go. Okay. So let's